What is going on today, folks? January 6th, 2026. What do we have in store for us today? I see it looks like a couple of interesting shapes. It's like a plus with a square in the middle. Hmm. Okay, I think there's a clever way to do this. And that particular clever way, I'm not well versed in, so I'm not going to attempt it. I think there's like you can incrementally um, change the value every iteration. So for example, 90 degrees, 180, 270, and 0. But I don't know how to do that. So I'm just going to kind of go with what I'm familiar with. Okay. We can't do box shadows because of the different colors, the two tones, but I think I'm gonna make this box in the middle the HTML, and let's see where that gets us. Let's see here. So we'll go background black for testing, and then margin 50 pixels. Let's see. It's obviously too little. We'll go 150. That's too much. 100. 120. Okay, that's 120 up and down, and then we have 150, 60, 70. Okay, and that's going to be this dark forest green. Alrighty, so we got that base level shape. Now everything that's going to come after, I think I'm gonna have 4p tags, uh, and oops, I'm going to style them all the same, just kind of like rotate them. So we'll go position absolute, and then here we'll go position relative, and then here we're gonna go background black. Just go red, actually, it's a little more jarring. And then after that, I am going to give it a width and a height. And what is the width of this? So we'll go 70 to 110. So 40 pixels. Is that right? 40 pixels. Okay. Width 40. Height 40. Okay. We'll go bottom 0. I don't get why it does this. Let's go, and there we go. That's a bit more like it. Bottom 0, still a bit off. Or do I do, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go with 40 by 110 to 170. So 60. I'll go height 60. And then we'll go background color this pink. And then we'll go top 0 minus 50, 60, 70, 5, 76. Okay, 76. Left 0, right 0, margin auto. So if I go top 0, then minus 60. Okay. I'm just working on the top one for now, and then we'll go border, solid, border top, solid. We'll get this green, 40 pixels, green. And now instead of 60, I'll do the full 100, right? So we got the top one. And now if I do the plus P, what is wrong with me? I cannot type. Okay, so plus P, we'll go transform, rotate 90 degrees. And then here we could do left, no, maybe right, 0. Top 0. Instead of maybe if it's -10, -20, okay. And then right 50, no, -50, -150, 160. So this one will be plus P, and this will be 180, but this will be now top 100, 60, right, 0. And then another layer in plus P. Same story. Rotate 270. But this time we'll go top 0. Maybe -20. And then right, we'll go left 0. No, that won't work. What if I did... Huh. I was thinking if I use the entire outline of the edges of this plus, then I could just do left 0, right 0, top 0, bottom 0. But let's see. Right 0, right 100, 150, 250. What's going on here? Negative? No. No matter what I change it to, it's not gonna update. Don't know why, but okay, so if I go left, -50, 150, 155, 160. So I got it, but this is not ideal. I have an idea. I have an idea. What about linear gradients instead of all the p tags? I could do a linear gradient from here to here. I just need to have the margin. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna nuke all of this. Okay, get rid of all this and get rid of all this. I might need one, but for now, okay, so I have this, and what if I'm gonna make this black background. We'll go black for now. Background, background. And now I'm gonna change this to margin. Let's go 50. Obviously not. It's gonna be 20 up top and the bottom, and we'll go 100. No, 70. Perfect. Okay. So now that I have this shape, now that I have this, I can technically apply the linear gradient to it. So instead of having black as a background, I will have it as transparent, and I'll have double linear gradients. Let's do that. So linear gradients. Here we'll do the first one of the dark green from 0 to 40 to the red, right? So 0 to 40, we'll go 40 pixels. And then here we'll do 0 until we reach, so 40, and then this is going to be 110 to 290. So 110, 290 will be 180, I think, to 180 pixels, and then 180. And then we're going to go back to the green, and the green's going to go from 0. Oh, is it really? Okay, it's 180, 190, 210, 220. Okay, I'll take it. And then now I'm going to add another one on top. Same story. I think same numbers, just a different orientation. So we'll go, but okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I have miscalculated something. Let me just get rid of this for a second. So that's that. Now I need to do, how do I shrink this? Can I do this? No, that's the positioning. And this goes, okay, so this does what exactly? 90, 0, and this is, so 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. What's going on here? That just controls the height, I think. And if I do no repeat, okay, then I don't think I understand what's happening. I don't know what this number does. It seems like it doesn't do anything to me. So my initial approach was going to do now, like be now that like that I do the gradient but on the vertical axis. However, I am struggling to figure out how to constrain it all the way to that narrow strip. Um, I'm certain there's a way, like 50 pixels from pixels. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So if I could technically add, oh, this is gonna be ugly. I could technically add another linear gradient that will just wipe out the right and left. But then when I do the horizontal gradient, it's gonna be hidden behind that unless that's layered on top. Let's see. Linear gradient, um, same story, just 90 degrees. 90. So if this one I move it up, okay. So the one that's on top takes precedence. Cool. So given that that's the case, what if I do now a linear gradient and then I'll do from 0 to 130. Uh, 130 pixels, and then we'll go transparent, and then at 0 to 170. And then we have this color, 0. Comma here. That did nothing. Unless I'm okay. I guess that's what I was trying to do. And then this is so funny. We'll do the 90 degrees. 90. Dang. So this is my dilemma. That's so funny. So I can't have these superimposed over each other because I'm stripping away. There could be another approach where I just have the two p tags that are long objects, essentially. Okay, I'm gonna keep these. Wow, was not expecting to take this long on this problem. This one will be for the box. And then, so p tag, I'm going to comment these out for now. Let's see where we can go. So p tags will go background black just for now. Height 70 to 330, whatever that is. 70 to 330, 70. 260, I think. And then width rather, 40. Okay, and then we'll do the background here of linear gradient. No, this one here. Copy, put that here. Okay, and now the plus P transform, rotate, what am I doing? Transform, rotate 90 degrees. Okay, what is this? Will this work? Text align center. That's funny. That won't work. We'll go right 0, left 0, margin auto. So we got that one, and now we just need to, we'll go top 0. Where is this one? So, okay, we'll do, okay, position absolute, that's why. Fantastic. Okay, do I need this one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. This one, obviously. Okay, so I just need that B now. If I could just get and B. And then here for this one, we can do something along the lines of, how big is this again anyway? So that's 170 to 230. Oh, 130. 170, 130, okay. 60. Just this here. And then maybe this one can use the top 0, bottom 0. There we go. I don't know if that's better, mildly. Yeah, by a small margin. Was it worth it? Not sure. Was it fun? A little bit. Just a little, really had higher expectations. I thought I'd get this done a lot quicker, but it is what it is. So let's clear up all of these little gaps in our code. I have also commas with spaces. Every one of those has to go. This line break can go. These unnecessary syntactical okay. Yep, we're good. a little semicolons for 100% match. 309 characters. I'll take it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're still here, thank you for watching. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.